I am happy to introduce to you Jennifer Barroll.
Jennifer has supported hundreds of businesses through transformational growth and leadership and communication practices.
Today, Barroll is a sought-after international speaker, host, and entertainer. Top 40 under 40. Welcome,
Jennifer Barroll. Jennifer.
Please put your hands together for Jennifer Barroll.
We are so much more capable of gaining ground, of getting better, of improving, of seeing a change when we're moving towards what we desire. We need to water what we want to grow. You are the CEO of your life.
My name is Jennifer Barroll, and for the past 20 years, I've had the great opportunity to be a leader of teams in multiple industries. I've worked in technology, in design, in communications, in marketing. For the past 10 years, I've shifted now into a business consulting role and a keynote speaker. I get the chance to travel the world and work in those same industries as well as many, many others. With a background as a performer, I remember getting on stage for the very first time in my life and feeling the energy of the audience, making them laugh specifically. What helped people understand, what helped people remember the message was when they were laughing and learning. The average adult is going to spend about a third of their life at work. I'm passionate on a stage communicating to leaders and team members at all levels, because I believe that our work-life experience rises and falls on leadership. And most leaders are not trained to lead people. And I'm passionate about bringing leadership excellence into organizations. We create a safe environment where people feel like they can be trusted to be creative and innovative and have new ideas. That is a part of what I talk about on stage, is creating a space where people feel empowered in their leadership role to not just bring the best out of themselves, but also to bring the best out of those around them.
This beautiful thing, when you believe in yourself, when you see yourself as capable, as strong, when you look inside and go, no, I've got good stuff, it increases your capacity across the board. When we focus on what we have, where we want to go, and what we can do to get there, we get 10 times the results.
But everybody at work needs these tools. Everybody at work needs to know what their core strengths are, needs to be able to believe in themselves, needs to be able to correct their mindset when things are challenging and frustrating. I believe the tools that I teach equip and inspire and empower people to utilize their strengths and align with their values to show up at work and bring their best every day.